Ganga Educational Trust, okay, which is run by Mr. Patil. Few years back, he was the professor at Sathe College. He used to teach geography subject. And their friend also used to ask the same question. What you wanted to be? And now you are completed your 15 years, why you don't want to join as a principal of some college? He stated very clear statement. I wanted some principal work under me. And today he is the owner of 15 different institutes. Do you know Achutya Samant, who is a owner of Kit and Kiss? Karamveer mein one episode was entirely dedicated by Amitabh Bachchan to him. Right? He's a big name in Bhubaneswar. Yes? What? Do you know his case study? What he was?
Indian Commerce Association.
Yes. Yes. He was simply a teacher of chemistry. Started teaching, ma'am, this is very, very important case studies which we should learn before starting the subject of financial planning. Started teaching in 1 BHK residential flat, and today he is the proud owner of world's largest university, right, supporting to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe. Tribal university, world largest tribal university. And why it has happened? They were teachers like us only. Because we never think about beyond our boundaries. Do you know what is the difference between rich and poor, or we middle class and rich? What's the difference?
So rich try and work harder, and poor think that this is my life and I will continue like this.
Sorry, come again.
So rich people work harder and harder.
Work harder and harder.
To get to that position and to continue.
Okay, fine.
But
He is having different opinion. Yes, sir. Are you finding interesting?
yes.
Okay, thank you. So now just give me 1 hour. You will remember this session forever in your life.
And the people, those who are not from Mumbai, it's just for them, those who are from Karnataka. He is Amitabh Bachchan of Mumbai.
Arey, nahi ro. See, these people made me Amitabh Bachchan. Honestly speaking, like I also has left my government job. I was a faculty at Chennai College. I left that job because and aided post tha ma'am. I left, and I'm enjoying because right now I'm in Thakur, not as an employee, as a owner. Those trustees' son, I taught them, and every time they are touching my feet. आज सारा decision मैं लेता हूँ वहाँ पे. So trust actually मैं चलाता हूँ. This is the difference. This is the difference. Many a times, Madhu sir and all, who was ex-dean and all, वो खुद बोलते ठाकुर, this is joke apart, principal भी निशिकांत से पूछ के काम करते. It is not there, but it is a fact. And they are owner of 17 different institutes. And days to come, there will be multiplying. So we should have such kind of dream. What is the difference between rich and poor? What she has rightly stated. Had you ever seen working of Anil Dhirubhai Ambani or Mukesh Dhirubhai or any rich people? You've never seen working them. देखते हैं क्या रतन टाटा काम कर रहा है? कभी देखा है? Never ever, sir. Yes, the right answer is this.
They're working smart.
Sir, no, ma'am. We work.
They know how to get work done from others.
No, not those kind of
Their
philosophy.
money.
Very simple philosophy that
Money.
what? Yes, boss. We work and get the money. Their money works and getting money for them. This is the difference between. This is the thin line difference between rich and poor, which we never understood. Which we never understood. उनका पैसा लाके देता है सर. अपन लोग जिंदगी भर पैसा ही कमाते रहते हैं और फिर भी अपन एक फ्लैट नहीं खरीद सकते. क्यों? कभी अपने पैसे को पैसा कमाने के लिए नहीं भेजा.
So पैसे से पैसा बढ़ता है.
अभी आपको समझ में आ रहा है।
सर, ये concept मेरी मम्मी बोलती रहती है ऐसे करना है, इसलिए
ये मैं आपसे पहले एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था। ओके, rightly stating, many of us we have plenty of savings at home, right? 500, 1000, 2000 ka notes with us. Okay, since when we have started saving, we are very good saver. सब पैसा आता है। And one fine night, मोदी जी आते बोलते हैं, now 500 and 1000 का नोट from tomorrow is not. और तब देखो पूरा इंडिया में like it is a different kind of tsunami. Why so? Why we could not have, because that 1000 or 2000 or 500 notes which you have saved somewhere is giving lesser power, purchasing power in days to come. But if you could have managed to get from that same value few silver coin, and after from few silver coin, one gold coin, it would have made difference. But none of us we are doing it. And literally we are blaming उसके पास पैसा, उसके पास पैसा। अरे आपने क्या पैसे के लिए क्या बताओ? How many of us we are doing? None of us. We always throughout, and this is 99% of Indian population does. That is why it is stated that India's world is there in the hands of 1% population which rules the country, and the entire 99% population is under them. Even all politicians are under them. Whatever they wish, they will do it. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes.
This is the power of finance. This is the power of financial planning. It is rightly stated, if we will fall ill or if someone we are losing, there is a loss of one person. But if you are losing your finance, there is a loss of generations. Either you can make it or it will break you. Like this was the first entrepreneur journey of Naresh Goyal, Jet Airways. पहला ही था ना, उसका बाप तो एंटरप्रेन्योर नहीं था, it was first generation. It is rightly stated, at least third generation, like what Thakur Group has now. Third generation is now entrepreneur. Now they are established entrepreneur. Many of business tycoons you will find, first generation only, they are gone if they are unable to manage their finance. Do you agree with me or not? And it's not the loss of Naresh Goyal, it is a financial loss of all 25,000 employees of Jet Airways who are technically skilled labor. They will not get job until unless same kind of aviation industries will establish their business. Do you agree with me or not? And they are contributing huge amount of revenue to the government, Indian as well as foreign income. So learning knowledge of financial planning is very, very important. Unfortunately, it is missing from every corner. We are talking about sustainable development, this and that. What about financial development? What about financial sustainability? Had anybody taught us? Is there anywhere we have syllabus which is missing? And you will not believe, at the end of my slides I'll show you. This is the second best professional degree and approach in USA. One is CPA and second is CFP, Certified Financial Planner. They need, like how we need doctors to cure our illness, same way we need financial planner to cure our financial problems. We never realize. Nobody is teaching us. Nowhere it is there in the syllabus. Our university was the first university in India which approaches and implemented this as a curriculum. I was the pioneer. We have introduced the course name called Bachelor of Investment Management, BIM. And we made it compulsory. This is the first, even in Karnataka you must verify, first undergraduate course whereby internship in second year is compulsory. You'll never find. Second year internship is compulsory in that program. But still people are not. An entire financial planning, I have put it there as a curriculum. I think this is a very strong foundation to build up my sessions subsequently. Do you agree with me or not? Yes?